All right, so I'm over at my buddy Rick's house, and when we were in Uwharrie last weekend, we busted up his taillight on the trail. I got a clip of that. And so we're actually going to be replacing it with those Oracle LED lights, and they're flush mounts. You actually have to move over the blind spot sensor that's inside the tail light. So I'll make a quick video of that. Here's the unboxing of the Oracle LED flush mount lights. So in the box, here's a little instruction package, comes with free stickers. And then the actual two tail lights themselves. Just plug and play. If you didn't previously have the LEDs in there, then it comes with the anti-flicker LED resistor there. And then other than that, you just unplug the old tail lights and put these in. So you can see here, that's where the tail light was, and this is the tail light that got popped. So we're going to be taking some stuff out of there, putting it into the new tail lights. So here's the new Oracle flush mount tail lights, and this is the original one right here. Move a few things from them and transfer them over. So this is the blind spot sensor. There's some screws in here that you remove, and then you just pop that out of there. And what you can remove these screws, it holds just fine in there. So it goes in like that.
Nice.
So you have this little clip that sits inside of here. It's got two 8mm screws. You get two from the back side of the tailgate, and you just pull this off. You won't be using this again. And then this is just going to plug into your standard plug right there. And these two prongs are going to go through the little, on the stock tail light, it's got like two little like balls that kind of click into there, so you got to kind of punch a hole in these, and these little prongs will just punch through there. There we go. So these are those little rubber grommets that for that alignment pin on the tail light. So you're just going to clip the end off of these so that the metal piece can push through them. We're kind of having a hard time getting them to line up. There we go. So there you go. You want to pull off this one. So that's one flush mount light. So for light comparison, there's your Oracle tail light, brake light, and there is the stock tail light. So just kind of a style comparison. That's just the driving lights. A little bit dimmer without the brake lights on. You know, stock one, you kind of have this round thing around it, right? So now we'll show you the correct way to remove these without using the roots of a tree while you're on the trail. There it is. That's my finger. There we go.
Could have used my better screwdriver. Outer banks in this won't light.
There we go.
I did the, yeah, that will work.
Okay.
And then it just slots up. Yeah.
There we go. Something we noticed when we were putting this one on, once this is on there, there's actually a little bit of a gap there because this actually got bent in a little bit when that tree root hit it. So Actually, now that I've seen it, you can actually see that pretty clearly that it's bent in right there. So there you have it. The flush mount, Oracle LED tail lights, and they look nice. So this is the passenger side, and you can see that it's sitting pretty flush with the body right there. But then, as I showed before, you can see here a little bit better. It's not bad, actually. We were able to kind of bend out that panel a little bit, but there's a little bit of a gap between the body and the tail light there. This is a good replacement. It's definitely cheaper than the stock tail lights. Those are an expensive replace. That's all I got for you. So, found this video helpful. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll talk to you next time.